With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
In this question, we have to correctly identify the equation which represents Verhulst-Pearl logistic growth. Now we all know that the population density of any population of any species is not going to remain static for a long period of time. It is not something that will remain constant, and there are many factors which can cause fluctuation in the population density. Now when the population is going to grow, when it is going to increase, this growth can occur according to different growth models, out of which in this question we are going to talk about the logistic growth. Now what happens in logistic growth? Here we consider that the resources in the habitat are limited. So the population is not having unlimited resources, unlimited food and space at its disposal, and the organisms have to struggle and they have to compete among themselves for these limited resources. Now what is going to happen in such a case? They are not able to realize their full reproductive potential. They are not able to multiply very rapidly, and the population will increase only up to a certain point, which is known as the carrying capacity. So carrying capacity is the maximum population density that the habitat can sustain because it has limited resources. So we use K to represent this carrying capacity, and if we plot such logistic growth on a graph, then let's see what kind of curve we are going to get. Suppose like this, we are taking population density, that is n over here, and over here we have the time, that is t. So for such logistic growth we will obtain a characteristic sigmoid or S-shaped curve, because once the carrying capacity has been reached over here, once k has been reached, now beyond this the population cannot increase. So definitely in the equation for population growth, k is going to be a factor. If k is not there, then this cannot be our correct equation. And out of these given equations, for the rate of increase of n, that is the population density with time, that is dn by dt, the correct equation is option A, dn by dt equals Rn, and then we have to consider this entire term k minus n upon k, where k is our carrying capacity, n was our initial population density, and R over here will stand for the intrinsic rate of natural increase, which we are going to obtain by subtracting the death rate from the birth rate. So the correct equation which represents the logistic growth in presence of limiting resources is option A.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.